The first step in installing your motorcycle saddlebags is to consider whether you want the straps on top of the passenger seat or installed below it. There are two benefits to having the straps installed below the passenger seat. The first is enhanced comfort for the passenger, and the second is enhanced security, because having the straps below the seat will prevent the bags from being stolen. For the purposes of this video, we will leave the straps on top of the seat. For the Tourister saddlebag, you will find included 5 straps. Using the strap that has a loop in it, pass the strap through a secure anchor point on your motorcycle. Pass the flat end of the strap through the looped end and pull it taut. Then take the flat end of the strap and pass it through the cam buckle on the Tourister saddlebag. Pull that taut and fold up any extra amount of strap. Pass the extra strap through the elastic on the saddlebag. This helps prevent the strap from getting caught in the chain or in the wheels of your motorcycle. Then repeat the same process on the rear end of the motorcycle using the other strap that also has a loop in it. A few things to note when it comes to installing the rear strap of the saddlebag. We recommend that you install it to a secure anchor point such as the indicator lights on your motorcycle, or you can purchase the Gears Luggage Assist clips, which are sold separately. If you don't have either of these options available to you, then I will present an alternative method towards the end of this video. Once you've completed securing the bag with all 4 straps, it could look something like this. Of course, the exact setup will vary for each rider and each motorcycle. For those of you that don't have secure anchor points at the rear of your motorcycle, such as taillights or the Gears Luggage Assist clips, the creative solution for you guys is to connect the 2 saddlebags to one another using the non-looped strap that is included with your saddlebags. So first, pass one end of the non-looped strap through the first cam buckle of the first saddlebag, and then pass the other end through the other cam buckle. Pull it tight, and as you did before, fold up the extra webbing and pass that through the elastic so it doesn't get caught in your wheels.